Hello students, today we are going to start the next chapter number 7. What is the name of the chapter 7? HCF and LCM. Chapter number 7, HCF and LCM. Look at the page number 141. Prime factorization. What is the meaning of prime factorization? First, prime numbers. What do you mean by the word prime factors? Prime numbers, prime factors. Meaning of this word? Already you are aware with this word, familiar with this word in the previous lesson. Prime numbers means a number that can be divisible by itself and 1. Okay? No one other number means that can be divisible by the number. Means the prime number that can be divisible by the itself and 1. Itself और 1 के अलावा किसी और नंबर से वो divisible नहीं हो सकता. That is called a prime number. Okay? Now prime factorization. Prime factorization means, this is the definition of the prime factorization, means the method of writing a number as a product of only prime numbers. Prime numbers को जब हम multiply में लिखते हैं, लिखने के बाद में जो भी prime numbers means 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, okay, they are the prime numbers. Prime numbers means 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. इसके आगे भी कई सारे प्राइम नंबर्स हैं. ओके, मीन्स अ नंबर दैट कैन बी डिविजिबल बाय द इटसेल्फ एंड 1, जो सिर्फ 1 से डिवाइड होता है या फिर इटसेल्फ नंबर से डिवाइड होता है. इटसेल्फ मीन्स 2 कैन बी डिवाइड ओनली बाय 2 एंड 1. 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and so on. So they are only just divisible by the self number. वो सिर्फ खुद से डिवाइड होते हैं. They are called the prime numbers. और यहाँ पे यही बात बोल रहे हैं कि product of only prime numbers. Product of only prime numbers means, product of only prime number means 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5 multiply by again 2, 3 means जो भी नंबर यहाँ पे हम फैक्टराइजेशन में निकालेंगे, all they are the multiply means product of only prime numbers. It is called prime factorization. Now what is the meaning of prime factorization? Means a method of writing a number as a product of only prime numbers is called prime factorization. Okay, so prime factor, suppose the 36. Now this 36 is thinking about who are my friend. ये 36 सोचता है कि who are my friend. This 36 have facing the difficulty to find out the friends of this 36. Okay, that is why he is sad. 36 number is sad that who are my friends. वो कैसे find out करेगी मेरे friends कौन है. So that is why come one technique in the mind of 36, that 36 is divided by the smaller number. हम 36 को सबसे छोटे नंबर से डिवाइड करें. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू चेक दैट इट इज़ इवन और ऑड. इवन नंबर. दैट इज़ वाई दिस नंबर इज इजीली डिविजिबल बाय द इवन नंबर. सो 36, first we take the smaller number that is divisible by the 36. So 2. 36 can be divided by 2. तो सबसे पहले 36 को पता पड़ गया कि हाँ 2 is my friend. Okay, then when we divide the 36 we get 18. Now again this 18 divided by the smaller number means by 2. So 2 9s are 18. Now 3. 3 cannot be divided by 2. Oh sorry, 9 cannot be divided by 2 because of its odd number. That is why we take the 3. 3 3s are 9. So 2 2 3 3. 1 2 3 4. They are the factors of 36. Okay. So let's we understand about the prime factorization in the detail. Prime factorization have the two methods, two techniques to find out the prime factorization. Okay, there are two techniques to find out the prime factorization. First is the factor tree, another one is the division method. First method, there are two techniques to find out the prime factorization. First, factor tree, and another one is the division method. Okay. To find out the prime factorization, we have the two methods. How many methods? Two methods. First is the factor tree method, and another one is the division method. By using the both technique, we can find out prime factorization. Okay, we can use the any technique to find out the prime factorization. So first we read about the factor tree method. What is the factor tree method? Suppose the number is 18. Okay, suppose number is 18 and we have to find out the prime factors of this number 18. First we take the smaller number that is completely divisible by the 18. हम ऐसा नंबर सोचेंगे just completely divisible by the 18, that is a 2. Okay, when 18 is divided by 2, so we get 2 9s are 18, 9, so 9 we write here, 2 9s are 18. Now next number is 9. It is not possible to divide it by 2, so we take the next prime number is 3. हम अगला प्राइम नंबर सोचेंगे, that is a 3. 3 3s are 9. Now we cannot broken down further the prime number because of it's a prime number. ये prime number आ गया, अब इससे ज़्यादा we cannot broken down. Okay, so 2 3 and 3, they are the factors of 18. So 18 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. They are the factors of 18. Which are the factors? 2 3 3. They are the factors of 18. This method is called factor tree method. There are different branches. Okay, there are the branches of the number and we are dividing the numbers by the smaller prime number. हम ऐसा नंबर सोच रहे हैं, सबसे छोटा स्मॉलर प्राइम नंबर हम सोच रहे हैं, नंबर कंप्लीटली डिविजिबल बाय स्मॉलर प्राइम नंबर. 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, then 3 is a prime number, then next prime number is 5 7. So all the prime numbers you have to keep in your mind. Okay, so this method is called the factor tree method. Now the division method. In the division method, same number 18. How to use the division method to find out the prime factors? First we use this symbol. Okay, we use this symbol and take the smaller prime number. It is an even number, so definitely this number is divisible by the even prime number. So what is the first even prime number? That is a 2. So divide by 2. 2, yes. Now when we divide this number, So quotient we write on the top, but here we write the quotient below of the number. Again make the symbol and quotient write the below. Then 9 is not possible divide by 2, so we take second prime number, that is a 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Okay. Then again 3 is divided by 3. 3 make the symbol 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. 2 9s are 18. Just like we have to write till reach the 1. हमको कहाँ तक सॉल्व करना है डिवीजन मेथड? टिल रीच द 1. जहाँ तक 1 नहीं आ जाता वहाँ तक हम इस मेथड को कंप्लीट करते चलेंगे. दिस मेथड इज कॉल्ड डिवीजन मेथड. Okay, I repeat this method, division method. Suppose we have the number 18 and we have to find out the all prime factors of the 18. First we make the symbol and find out take the smaller prime number, that is a 2. हमको सभी prime numbers ही लेना है. That is a 2. 2 9s are 18 and the quotient we have to write below of the number. हम डिवाइड करते थे तो क्वोशंट हम टॉप पे लिखते थे. यहाँ हम क्वोशंट कहाँ लिखेंगे? बिलो ऑफ द नंबर. सो 2 9s are 18. देन 3 3s are 9. देन 3 1s are 3. एंड वी हैव टू कंटिन्यू दिस मेथड till reach the 1. Okay. So now the factors of 18 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So 2 into 3 into 3, they all are the factors of 18. So this time we have the two method to find out the prime factorization. First is the factorial method and second one is the division method. Okay. So let's start the exercise 7.1. Understood? Prime factorization, factorial method, division method. Okay. So one by one questions are depending on particular method. Exercise 7.1. Now page number 143. Prime numbers are the most important for the mathematics, for finding the factorization method. 7.1. Question number A. First one, complete each factor tree. There is given so many factor trees in your book. We have to complete the factor tree. 16, and in the factor tree there are the different branches and we have to complete the every branch. Here is given 8 blank space, then 4 blank space is here, then yes. First number is 16. So we have to think about that which one is the smallest prime number that is completely divisible by the 16 is completely divisible by that one. Think about smallest prime number because of it's a even number. So first we take the smallest prime number is 2. Okay, हम 2 से इसको देखते हैं. 2 adds a 16. Yes, means answer is correct. 2 adds a 16. Then which number come here? So that is multiplied by 4. So we get the 8. 2 4s are 8. Then 2 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay. So this time we have to complete the factor tree. Next one is the 36. हाँ, listen. 36. There is again two method in the factor tree. एक हमने इस तरीके से फैक्टर ट्री को कंप्लीट किया है जहां हम स्मॉलेस्ट प्राइम नंबर फाइंड कर रहे हैं. बट इफ देयर इज नॉट ए स्मॉलेस्ट प्राइम नंबर, बिकॉज ऑफ 6 इज नॉट अ प्राइम नंबर, तब हम यहाँ पर क्या कर सकते हैं, इसको कहाँ तक लेके जाएंगे, इसके ब्रांचेस को, जब तक कि प्राइम नंबर नहीं आ जाता. Okay, first 36 number on the top, and branches of the 36, one is the 6. So another which number will write here, both number multiply, so we get 36. 6, think about it. 6 6 are 36. Then 6 further divide in two numbers, 6 further divide in two branches and till reach 1. जब तक कि 1 नहीं आ जाता तब तक हमको जाना है. So 6 further divide in two branches and one number is 2. So which another number is here? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So 2 3s are 6. Just like here, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So 3 2s are 6. Just like we have to complete the factor tree. आपको इसमें सोचना है, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सोचना है और सोच करके उसको कंप्लीट करना है फैक्टर ट्री को. ओके, देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. 25 divided into two number. Which two number? 25. 5 5s are 5 5s are 25. Okay. Now question number 4. आपको इस तरीके से फैक्टर ट्री कंप्लीट करना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Okay. First, one branch of the 24 is 2, and 2 is the smallest prime number. So when the 24 is divided by 2, so we can solve in the rough work. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So what is the quotient? 12. So we write here 12. 2 multiplied by 12, so we get 24. Then yes, now again 12 further divide in two branches. Yes, so smallest prime number is 2. 2 6 are 12. 12 further divide in two branches. So first we take the smallest prime number is 2. हम 12 को हम ऐसा नंबर फाइंड करेंगे जिससे कि 2 completely divisible हो और स्मॉलेस्ट प्राइम नंबर हो. सो दैट इज 2. 2 6 आ, अब 2 को कितनी बार मल्टीप्लाई करें कि 12 आ जाए? 2 6 आ 12. देन 6 फर्दर डिवाइड इन टू ब्रांचेस. 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3. 2 3s are 6. Understood? So which are the factors of the 24? 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. ये नंबर जो हैं ये प्राइम फैक्टर नहीं है. प्राइम फैक्टर वही होते हैं जो प्राइम नंबर होते हैं. एंड प्राइम नंबर्स आर 2 3 5 7 11 13 17. दे आर द प्राइम नंबर्स. तो यही प्राइम नंबर्स है. 12 and 6 आर नॉट अ प्राइम नंबर. तो हम इसके फैक्टर क्या होंगे? फैक्टर्स ऑफ द 24 आर 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 3. ओके. एंड द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 36 के फैक्टर्स क्या होंगे? 6 and 6 आर नॉट प्राइम फैक्टर्स. दे आर नॉट अ प्राइम नंबर. सो फैक्टर्स ऑफ द 36 is equal to 3 into 2 into 3 into 2. They are the prime number and they are the factors of the 36. जो प्राइम नंबर्स होते हैं ना वही फैक्टर होंगे, वही प्राइम फैक्टर होंगे नंबर के. So 36 is equal to 3 into 2 into 3 into 2. Then the factor of 25. 25 keep factor because of the 5 is a prime factor. So factor of 25 is equal to 5 into 5. Okay. So this method is a this is the which type of the method? Factor tree method to find out the prime factors. Okay. Let's see one more question. Question number B. Question number B. Find the prime factors by the factor tree method. हमको factor tree method को use करके prime factors find करना है. Question number B. First factor tree method. First one 96. Yes, first number is 96. 96 and we have to find out the all prime factors of the 96. 96 is said because of 96 want to find out the all friends of the 96. So how we can find friends of the 96? There are the lots of numbers. So which are the friends of 96? 96 is a even number. So first even prime number is 2. Let's check that 96 is can be divided by 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 8s are 16. Yes, 96 completely divisible by 2. 96 पूरी तरह से 2 से डिवाइड हो रहा है because of there is no remainder. It means completely divide by 2. That is why first friend of the 96 is 2. Okay, and quotient is 48. So we write the 48 in other branch. Okay, now once again 48 divide by 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. So 24 is a quotient and 48 completely divisible by 2. So once again 48 further divided in 2 branch. One factor is 2, another one 24 is a quotient. Then (24) further divided in 2 branch. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Then 12 further divided in 2 branch. 2 6 are 12. Then 6 divided in 2 branch. 2 3s are 6. Okay. So which are the factors of 96? 96 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Which are the factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So they are the prime numbers 2 and 3. 2 how many times repeated there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times comes 2. Okay. So all the 5 times we have to write here. 5 times 2 and 1 time 3. They all are the factors of 96. And this method is called factor tree method. Next question. Question number 2. 27. 27. First we see that 27 is an odd number. So it is not possible to divide by the even number, even prime factor. So we take smallest odd prime number, that is a 3. Smallest odd prime number is 3, because of 27 is not possible divide by 2. अगर हम 2 से 27 को डिवाइड करते हैं तो रिमाइंडर आता है, दैट इज वाई इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल डिवाइड बाय 2. रिमाइंडर आता है, इट मीन्स नॉट कंप्लीटली डिविजिबल. सो वी टेक द 3. 3 9s are 27. Then 3 3s are 9. Okay, 3 3s are 9. Now we cannot further divide the prime number. प्राइम नंबर को हम और ज़्यादा डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते. ये जहाँ प्राइम नंबर आ जाता है मीन्स अब यहाँ पे स्टॉप हो गया, इससे ज़्यादा आगे ये नहीं बढ़ सकता. सो फैक्टर्स ऑफ 27 इज इक्वल टू 3 इंटू 3 इंटू दिस 3. Okay, 1 2 and 3, 1 2 3, and 3 is a prime number, so it is called prime factorization. Okay, question number 3rd. 51. First we think about which one is the smallest prime number. The 51 completely divisible by that one, that is a 3. When we check the 51, 3 1s are 3. Okay, 3 7s are 21. Yes, means another number is 17. Okay, and 17 is a prime number. This 17 is a prime number, that is why it cannot be further broken down. Okay, it cannot be further broken down. So 51 have the 2 branch. First we find out the smallest prime number, that is a 3. 51 completely divisible by 3, so we get the 17 as a quotient, that is we write on the another branch. Now 17 is also prime number. जब यहाँ भी प्राइम नंबर आ गया है तो इससे ज़्यादा हम इसको डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते. So which are the factors of the 51? 3 into 17. 3 into 17.